Welcome to the world of affordable embroidery with the Brother PE540D, our most affordable embroidery-only machine ever. Backed by our lifetime technical support, the PE540D is packed with wonderful features usually found on more expensive models that help make embroidery fun and easy. Like 100 built-in designs, including 35 built-in Disney designs, plus the ability to connect to more designs from your computer and exclusive access to more than 5,000 designs on iBroidery.com, as well as from third-party sites. A big 4-inch by 4-inch embroidery area to add character and characters to just about anything. A bright, easy-to-use touchscreen. 120 built-in pattern combinations to frame your embroidery masterpieces. An advanced needle threading system. Just one push of a lever does it. And a fast 400 stitch per minute embroidery speed, so you can make more magic in less time. What kind of magic? The magic of dozens of built-in Disney embroidery designs. So unlock that magic right out of the box, right now, with the Brother PE540D embroidery-only machine.
Mom, what did you do to my room?
This is my new Stellaire machine. It's all the rage, honey. You haven't heard of it? Sweetheart, I even have an app. I can precisely embroider designs on almost anything. Okay, baby, here we go. High five. Nice.
When did you have the time to learn this, Mom, and change the room?
Well, the machine taught me on its built-in how-to videos. I mean, I can binge watch them all night long.
You binge watch videos?
I binge watch. Bright screen, it's amazing. And it has lasers. Isn't that awesome? Wait, the best part. I took that work of art that you made me in the first grade, and I turned it into this really cool wall hanging. Look.
Mom, that's awesome.
No, honey, don't touch that, don't touch it, because you can actually buy one on my online store.
You're selling my art on an online store?
Yes, I am.
Do I get a cut?
No.
Hey, honey.
Grandpa. Dad!
I embroidered that.
Did you see Mom's new laser machine?
Sure did.
Anyway, honey, I need the space, so if you wouldn't mind taking the rest of your things.
Oh, okay. Oh, this isn't mine.
I made it for the next baby.
Yeah, thanks, Mom. Okay. Yep.
Somebody once told me that quilting is just cutting fabric into pieces and sewing it back together again. I would have agreed with that before I got into quilting, or rather before quilting got into me. Now I'd say there's nothing like it. There's no creative expression I have that compares to quilting. An architect gets to design the building, but he doesn't get to build it. With quilting, I get to do both. Having a machine like the MemoryCraft 15000 has allowed me stitches if I want to, with the included software. This machine is ideal for quilters who embroider. There are even designs made especially for the square hoops. And I don't need a long arm because the AccuFill system lets me do perfect stippling across the biggest quilt I can make. The feeding system is amazing. It's called AccuFeed Flex. Remember that name. It comes with 4 feet that take care of anything I need to do. The new needle threader. Love it. The highlight is an eye saver, and the AccuView now comes with 3 magnifiers. The quick change needle plate. Nobody else has it this easy. Variable zigzag. You have to see this to believe it. With the MemoryCraft 15000, there's so much more I could say. But I will say this. For quilting, this is the machine that takes me anywhere I want to go. Ready or not.
As a designer, time is of the essence. What I appreciate about the Bernette is all the time-saving features. For instance, the needle stop. I love that the machine can knot itself, and then it also cuts the threads for you. Just those 3 little features on its own already makes your life so much easier. I specifically love the versatility of the machine, especially all the stitches that you get. So you can literally customize every garment to suit your needs. I love how the homepage is right there and literally all the functions is in one spot. My favorite is of course the buttonholes. There are so many buttonholes for any type of garment and any type of fabric that it really makes the range of things that you can do so much more than ever before. For my clothes, it's all about stitch quality. And what I really appreciate about this one is that you can customize it to the fabrics and to the textures and techniques that you want to use. You can literally set the width and the length as you want it for each and every garment and fabric. It's a very reliable product for all the different types of fabric, thicknesses, thinness, really and all the different techniques that you want to do. And that is what you want. You want something that is reliable and you know it always works. And that is what this machine has proven to do. Not everyone is a fashion designer, but everyone can be creative. And that is what I like about the Bernette machine. It really allows you to be your own designer, customize things to suit your body and your personality. Now this is a design challenge for you. Be your own designer and show us what you are and what your aesthetic is as a designer.